So we've designed it so that it doesn't repeatedly go over the same point. So as it knows very precisely where it is, it can just do one path. So there's each circuit it does, it kind of overlaps. Oops, sorry. One machine width. There's a small amount of overlap, but the pickup systems are all designed to work with one path. So it goes over the area once and it picks everything up on that. So if for some reason the infrared doesn't spot something, it's got a little bump sense. So again, it's another way. And yeah, literally just that movement there would activate a little sensor that says, there's something in front of me, I can't do it.
How does he react to cable?
Well, it will, you can get it to run over a cable and it will go up a cable. But one of the advantages of us to make the brush bar go in the centre of the machine, it meant we had to develop these tank tracks. And the tank track, the reason for that is if the brush bar pushed forward, it means you don't have a lot of space for a wheel. So if we just did an ordinary wheel, it means it would, when it comes to like a threshold or a step, it wouldn't get over it very well. So we developed this tank track because actually the tank track's like the front of a very big wheel. So that means it's more effective at getting over steps. But the tracks also give us lots of grip. So actually what we find is that if the machine gets caught on a tassel or a cable, it's actually quite good at, because the cable or tassel would stop the brush bar and then it will realise there's a problem and it'll try and reverse off to get away from it. So sometimes it jams up completely and there's nothing you can do about that. What it will do is send a notification to the app to let you know the robot's had a problem, it's that the brush bar's jammed. So then you know, I've got to go and sort that out, sort of thing. But quite often it manages to recover itself. So having the extra grip from these tracks. The activity schedule which you showed, that just shows us the map of what the machine's been doing. So it shows the coverage that you've achieved with the machine. So it's kind of good feedback on how well the machine's worked and so on. There's a little key there, so covered, not covered, edge of the cleaning area and so on. So the other thing on the app was that we have the product guide. So this is that gives us how to get started, tips on using the machine. And they've also got some maintenance things there, so brush bar maintenance, how to get into the brush bar, clear the brush bar of any obstruction. So, but what does happen is we've linked that with the diagnostics. So if the brush bar jams, it sends a notification to you to say, the brush bar's had a problem. And then when you pick up the machine, it links back to the procedure for clearing it. So it kind of helps you solve the problem as well. Then obviously the other bit was about getting software updates. So you can set it so that automatically you'll pick up software updates. So as our software development team finds further improvements, ways to make it more efficient or improve performance, that can automatically be uploaded on the machine through your Wi-Fi, so that the machine you have at home always has the very latest, the very best software upgrade on it. So that's the app.